Hi Aquarius, this is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to look at your energies and see what is coming to you. I have already taken out your cards, clarified the cards, and have a certain information which I want to tell you. As we go along reading the cards which are out for you, we will have more information regarding what you need to look out for, what you can accept, and what is your outcome by the end of 10 days. So this is a reading from for 20th of November to the 30th, the end of the month. So what is influencing you in this time period is the Nine of Pentacles. Very good energy. You could be feeling that you have enough, you are in a luxurious situation, you could have got some money in this time period. Luck has, destiny has provided you with some compensation with the Wheel of Fortune and Six of Pentacles. You have exchanged money, or you have gotten money for a house, for a compensation for a property, or for a kind of bonus, or some increase in money which people owed to you, and your account has is showing good energy, and you are feeling self confident in this time period. Very confident about your energies in your money situation. Even in, if we look at it with the feelings energy, you could be practical in this time period, and um, generally you are exuding confidence in this time. So there is a situation that has ended. So it was a 10 of wands energy. It was a difficult task, disadvantageous situation, or a very burdensome project which you have finished. It is coming to culmination, maybe with the help of Two of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. You are going to reach a new situation with the help of others and finish this difficult cycle in your life. So Two of Pentacles is that there is a requirement to balance your situation, and that is coming with the help of others. So there is a possibility that you will be recognized for the work that you do, the value that you add in a professional situation or a personal situation. So this is pertaining to your 10 of Pentacles. So this is connected to your family, this is connected to your family wealth, this is connected to your houses, property, and job situation in this time period, or a long term marital situation where both of you are contributing. So this is a good energy, and a difficult period is over. With the Queen of Cups, you could be in this energy, things are improving. You could be having water in your chart, or you are dealing with a water energy at this moment. Some of you are dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or your situation is improving in this time period. With the Ace of Wands, a situation of life, spirit, good health is coming back to you. You will start nurturing, caring for your body maybe in this time period, because you have gone through Five of Swords. You have gone through losses in terms of your personal life or your professional life. So something is improving, and you are improving a relationship, or you are improving a monetary situation, or you are improving your health. Whatever it is, the Ace of Wands tells us that a new feeling of rejuvenation is coming back. Life spirit will be breathed into any ailing situation. So you can have an ailing situation in your career as well. So if you were dealing with difficulties or betrayals or losses in your life, you are going to see some improvement. So in terms of your personal life and your emotions, you have invested on a situation for long, and you have accumulated a lot. And in this time period, with the ace of the Page of Wands, a good news regarding your family situation will happen, clarified by Page of Wands, meaning a younger person of the sign of Sagittarius, Aries, or Leo will be giving you some good news. With the Four of Wands, it is telling me some of you are having a great situation of camaraderie, partnership, love life looking good, stable, family life looking good and stable, accomplishments in personal matters, health wise, you will be again feeling enthusiastic and feeling stable. That is what I am seeing. So it all depends on your work, how much you can do it and how long you can keep it stable. So basically good energies are coming in terms of your work or work situation. Like I told you, your asset, property, long term situation of job, or a any money situation is looking very very good. You are going to do well. Some of you are in a new situation, or people are contributing or helping you in a task that needs to be finished. With the Three of Cups and Three of Pentacles, situation in career is also healing, and team spirit is coming back in your life. So underlying energy is you will take authority in your life in this time period, and success is coming to you. There is a possibility of a very good support from a boss or from a spouse who could be an Aries or a leader like person. With the Nine of Cups, what I am seeing is some of you who are father figures will have a wish fulfillment, mother figure as well. Anyone who controls, provides for their family, they will get good news in this time period or feel very very happy with their situation, and their some of their wishes will be fulfilled. So the problem with you is, the obstacle on your path is that sometimes you quickly leave situations without seeing the other options, or without taking time. So that could be an obstacle. Some of you could be feeling it's difficult for you to leave situations maybe, or it is either or. So there is a possibility of a conflict in terms of a situation that you are leaving early or you are not able to leave. So basically something is not working, but either you need to work on that, or you have to balance your situation by taking authority. Some of you could be feeling a bit frustrated with your situation, so you need to take control and have a neutral judgment regarding your love life, your career life, or your property situations. The King of Swords is in your advantage position, and you will be in this masculine air king energy. This is beneficial, and this tells us that you have high standards, you have good intelligence, and with your wisdom, honesty, straightforward way of speaking, you will be consolidating your energies, having solutions in life, and you will be very, very direct towards people, and you will communicate very well in this time period. So, regarding a situation in this time period, the Death and the High Priestess tells us that there is a situation which you are internally feeling that it is going to end. So something in your life is going to end or transform. It could be your health, it could be your property situation, it could be your money situation or job situation. Some of you are moving towards a new thing, some of you are waiting to move on. Your situation looks good and offers will be coming in. So the writing is on the wall basically, and you will have to feel your situation more deeply, because this transformation will only occur if you are in the high priestess energy. So high priestess energy tells us to, listen to ourselves and not reason out everything. Listen to your gut feeling, and then transformation of some sort, a change of some sort is coming in. So accept it. Writing is on the wall. So you could be projecting very reasonable energy. Sometimes our mind tells us not to do certain things, but in this time period you could be making your judgment with your gut feeling or your premonition or intuition in this time. So main male could be, I'm reading for the main male, or your situation is connected to the main male, or a mature woman in this time period. You could be dealing with a mother figure, aunt figure, mother-in-law, main female could be also around you. So if I'm reading for the male, it is the main female and the mature woman around you. If I am reading for the female audience, then it is the main male and a mature woman around you. So two of pentacles was your situation. You could be working in tandem with these people in your life. You could be trying to bring in stability and accomplish a new foundation in your family life. You could be dealing with a boss figure and dealing with difficulties or conflict. And maybe some of you are dealing with two situations where there is a main female and mature woman, or there is a main male and a mature woman, or a main a main male. So basically, sudden wealth could come to you through a house or a property. In this time period, sudden wealth is coming to you. You could be you may have planned about this, or there is a person on your mind, and a pathway regarding a situation is opening. So for some of you, a house could be sold, a house could be acquired, sudden money can come in. Some of you will be granted loan or the sale money in this time period of the house sale. Some of you have a plan to build a house or make a house in this time period. Some of you are connected with people who are contributing in this endeavor of yours. So after a difficult situation ends, there is a possibility of great happiness in the future for sure. So in this time period, you are being asked by the angels and guide to so the water guardian is trying to speak with you. So the water guardian tells you to connect with your emotions. Take time to understand. Actually, if you see, except for three of cups, that is, accomplishment and getting healed in a situation, there are cup energy and nine of cups. So they are asking you to understand how you really feel. Know that your sensitivity is not a curse but a gift. This allows you to receive and understand messages directly from your soul. So some of you could be getting inheritance in this time period. Water is the element that is in your blood, and your tears and your flesh. The water guardian represents the angels of water, who can help you dive within to understand the depth of your emotions. These angels are all about helping you see that your emotions aren't just the feelings that are on the surface. So they are also the old emotions you may have locked deep within the shadows of your soul. So your angels want you to know that it's okay to feel the emotions that are surfacing within you at this time. It doesn't matter if they are joyous or sad, they are all powerful messengers that allow you to understand what you want and what you need. Taking time to breathe and acknowledge that them lets them flow through you rather than crashing down on you as an overwhelming wave. So it helps you to balance your emotions in this time period. So note that there are also intuitive psychic messages arising in you at this time. So that is what is the death and the high priestess energy. So psychic messages will be coming to you. Unless you acknowledge everything as it comes to you, you may miss important guidance that can lead you to support and live and love. So basically, it is telling you that you are doing fine, you are practically doing very well, but in this time period, breathe and see the changes and the transformation, and look out for yourself by listening to your gut advice and psychic. That's what is called the psychic advice. So that comes from within. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. You can contact me through the email ID in the description box. Keep watching and sharing with others, and I'll be posting more readings for you. Bye bye.